Imagine stepping into a machine, pressing a button, and instantly traveling back to the past or to the future. Would you visit ancient civilizations, witness the future of humanity, or maybe even change history? Science fiction has shown us countless ways to travel through time, but could it ever happen for real? Today, we're diving deep into the science of time travel, exploring whether it's possible and what the laws of physics have to say. But first, if you could time travel, where and when would you want to go? Let me know in the comments. To understand time travel, we first need to answer a bigger question: what is time? Unlike space, where you can move forward, backward, left, and right, time seems to only move in one direction, forward. This is known as the arrow of time and is linked to something called entropy, the natural tendency of things to move from order to chaos. But does that mean we're stuck moving forward forever? Maybe not. Let's talk Einstein, because his theories may hold the key to time travel. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not fixed. It stretches and contracts depending on how fast you're moving. This is called time dilation. If you travel close to the speed of light, time slows down for you relative to people on Earth. This means astronauts on a fast-moving spaceship could age slower than those on Earth, essentially traveling into the future. Sounds crazy? It's already been tested. Astronauts on the International Space Station move so fast that their clocks tick slightly slower than ours. When they return to Earth, they are fractions of a second younger than they would have been. So, traveling to the future, possible. But what about the past? That's where things get tricky. Some theories suggest that black holes and wormholes could hold the secret to time travel. Black holes. These are so dense that they create a massive gravitational pull, strong enough to bend time itself. If you orbit a black hole at the right speed, time for you would move slower than for the rest of the universe. Wormholes. Theoretical tunnels through space-time that could connect distant points in time and space. If one end moves at near light speed while the other stays still, it might allow for time travel between them. But we've never actually seen a wormhole, and even if they exist, keeping one open long enough for time travel would be nearly impossible. Now, let's say we do figure out a way to travel back in time. What happens then? There are many problems in time travel too, like the grandfather paradox. If you went back in time and prevented your grandparents from meeting, you would never be born, which means you couldn't have traveled back in time in the first place. This kind of paradox is a major problem with time travel to the past. Some theories suggest that if time travel is possible, history must correct itself to avoid paradoxes, or that time travelers would simply enter a parallel universe instead. Right now, we obviously don't have the technology to manipulate time, but physicists haven't completely ruled it out. Some ideas scientists are exploring that could potentially make time travel possible are quantum mechanics. Could tiny particles jump through time? Closed time-like curves. Theoretical loops in time that might allow backward travel. Advanced civilization theories. Maybe an ultra-advanced alien species has already cracked time travel. So, could time travel ever happen? While we may not have a real-life time machine yet, physics shows us that time is more flexible than we ever imagined. Who knows? If you could time travel, where and when would you go? Drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing science videos. And have you ever wondered, why do we dream while sleeping? Watch this to know.